Hello, friends. Welcome to Just Being Legal, your one stop channel for judiciary preparation. And in today's video, we are going to discuss previous year questions of Delhi Judicial Services from 2006 to 2024 for the subject Constitution.
So 2006 का हमारा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है. In इंदिरा सहानी वर्सेस यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया 1992, इट वाज हेल्ड बाय द सुप्रीम कोर्ट दैट कोई रिजर्वेशन नहीं दी जाएगी अपॉइंटमेंट्स के मैटर में किसी भी स्टेज पर. सेकंड में कह रहा है रिजर्वेशन इन अपॉइंटमेंट इज अपोज टू पब्लिक पॉलिसी. थर्ड में ये कह रहा है कि अंडर आर्टिकल 16 क्लॉज 4 इट बाइंड्स टू इनिशियल अपॉइंटमेंट ओनली बट फर्दर प्रमोशंस के मैटर में नहीं एक्सटेंड करता. डी में कह रहा है कि रिजर्वेशन ऑफ अपॉइंटमेंट और पोस्ट अंडर आर्टिकल 16 क्लॉज 4 इज नॉट कन्फर्म टू एनी स्टेज and it extends to appointment as well as promotions. तो इसका correct answer है B. Reservation in appointment is opposed to public policy, interest of justice and efficiency of administration and therefore impermissible. Next question है the Constitution of India established parliamentary form of government and the essence of this form of government is responsibility to President, Prime Minister, Legislature, People of India. तो इसका correct answer है Legislature. The President of India is not bound by the aid and advice of Council of Ministers in appointment of state governors, union ministers, chairman of UPSC, judges of High Court and Supreme Court. So correct answer है D. Judges of High Court and Supreme Court. The right to equality before law contained in Article 14 of the Constitution of India is available to legal person only, citizens, natural person only, all person whether natural or legal. तो इसका correct answer है D. All person whether natural or legal.
Question 150. When proclamation of emergency is issued by the President of India under Article 352 of the Constitution of India, इसका correct answer है B. The freedom under Article 19 are automatically suspended and the fundamental right except those under Article 20 and 21 cannot be suspended by an order of the President. Next question है 151. The Supreme Court of India while exercising power under 136 of Constitution can, इसका correct answer है C. Interferes when it is found that gross injustice हुई है. Next question है 152. When Chief Justice of India is appointed by the President, he is required to consult A. PM, B. Cabinet of Ministers and PM, C. Judges of Supreme Court and High Court, D है Council of Ministers. तो इसका correct answer है C. And इसके लिए आप रेफर कर सकते हैं Article 124 Clause 2 of Constitution of India. Next question है इनमें से कौन सी चीज़ें मैच होती हैं आपस में. डॉक्ट्राइन ऑफ पिथ एंड सब्सटेंस आपने सुना होगा, बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर डॉक्ट्राइन सुना होगा, डॉक्ट्राइन ऑफ एक्लिप्स, रूल ऑफ सेवरेबिलिटी आपने सुना होगा. इसका करेक्ट आंसर क्या होगा, इनमें से कौन से केसेस हैं जो इन सब से रिलेटेड हैं. सो इसका करेक्ट आंसर है सी, यानी कि पिथ एंड सब्सटेंस जो है वो रिलेटेड है राजस्थान वर्सेस जी चावला से. बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर जो है वो केशवानंदा भारती केस, ये हम सबको पता है. डॉक्ट्राइन ऑफ एक्लिप्स जो है वो है बीकाजी नारायण वर्सेस MP. एंड लास्ट में हमारा रूल ऑफ सेवरेबिलिटी है जो कि स्टेट ऑफ बॉम्बे वर्सेस FN बलसारा. ये काफ़ी कॉमन क्वेश्चन है, काफ़ी बार पूछा गया एग्जाम्स में. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे बढ़ते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज करेक्ट इन रिस्पेक्ट ऑफ स्टेटमेंट ऑफ द रिजर्वेशन इन एडमिशंस टू एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशंस. तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर है D. रेजिडेंस इन रूरल एंड लैक ऑफ एजुकेशन कैन बी एक्सक्लूसिव ऑफ द क्राइटेरिया. Question number 157. Under Article 226, every High Court has power throughout the territorial limits in relation to which it exercises jurisdiction to issue to a person or authority in appropriate cases any government within those territories directions, orders, writs, including writs in the nature of habeas corpus, mandamus, prohibition, quo warranto and certiorari, any of them for. इसका correct answer क्या होना चाहिए? So इसका correct answer है D. For any purpose. ये हमारा लास्ट क्वेश्चन था 2006 के पेपर का. अब हम आगे बढ़ने जा रहे हैं 2007 के क्वेश्चन पे. सो गाइस 2007 का कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया इज इलेक्टेड बाय द इलेक्टेड मेंबर्स ऑफ लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबलीज ऑफ द स्टेट्स, द इलेक्टेड मेंबर्स ऑफ बोथ द हाउसेज ऑफ द पार्लियामेंट एज वेल एज इलेक्टेड मेंबर्स ऑफ द लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबलीज ऑफ द स्टेट, द मेंबर्स ऑफ लोकसभा, द इलेक्टेड मेंबर्स ऑफ बोथ द हाउसेज ऑफ द पार्लियामेंट. सो इसका करेक्ट आंसर है B. एंड इसके लिए आप रेफर कर सकते हैं आर्टिकल 54 ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है द प्रेसिडेंट हैज़ द पावर टू कम्यूट द सेंटेंस ऑफ एनी पर्सन कन्विक्टेड ऑफ एनी ऑफेंस. इसका करेक्ट आंसर क्या है? इसका करेक्ट आंसर है D, यानी कि इन सभी चीज़ों के लिए कम्यूटेशन हो सकती है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, और हाँ इसके लिए आर्टिकल 72 आप रेफर कर सकते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 के लिए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है आर्टिकल 368 enables an amendment of basic structure of Constitution of India by, इनमें से क्या करेक्ट आंसर है? इसका आंसर है डी, क्योंकि बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर जो है वो अमेंड हो ही नहीं सकता, इट इज voidable. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज BPSP हैव बीन इंस्पायर्ड बाय द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ, ये बहुत ही कॉमन क्वेश्चन है, बहुत बार पूछा गया, इसका आंसर है आयरलैंड. सो गाइस नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है विच राइट इज अ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल राइट बट नॉट अ फंडामेंटल राइट? इसका करेक्ट आंसर है सी. ये आप 44th अमेंडमेंट में रेफर कर सकते हैं इसको. नेक्स्ट है, क्योंकि ये राइट टू प्रॉपर्टी एज यू नो एक फंडामेंटल राइट था पहले, बट देन आफ्टर 44 अमेंडमेंट इसको रिमूव कर दिया गया था. अब ये कौन से सेक्शन में है आप प्लीज कमेंट्स में बताइएगा. नेक्स्ट है सॉरी आर्टिकल में है, बिकॉज हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में आर्टिकल्स यूज होते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है ऑन व्हाट डेट वाज द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया अडॉप्टेड? ये तो बहुत ही इजी क्वेश्चन है, आई थिंक ये सभी बच्चों को आता होगा. सो इसका करेक्ट आंसर है बी, द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया वाज अडॉप्टेड बाय कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली ऑन 26th November. करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है द DPSP आर नॉन जस्टिफिएबल, नेगोशिएबल, जस्टिफिएबल, नन ऑफ द अबव. तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर है ए, क्योंकि इट कैनॉट बी एनफोर्स्ड बाय कोर्ट ऑफ लॉ. A judge of High Court is appointed by Chief Justice of India, Governor of the State, Chief Justice of High Court, President of India. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है डी, एंड इसके लिए आप रेफर कर सकते हैं आर्टिकल 217. नेक्स्ट है व्हेन द सुप्रीम कोर्ट एक्सरसाइजेज इट्स पावर ऑफ जुडिशियल रिव्यू, reviews the functioning of judiciary in India, examines the correctness of an administration action or validity of a statute, appoints a committee to review the working of constitution, reviews its own judgment. तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर है बी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है द राइट ऑफ प्रॉपर्टी is a constitutional right under Article 300A of the Constitution of India, is only a statutory right under TPA, is a FR यानी कि fundamental right under Article 19(1)(f) of the Constitution of India, none of these. तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर है ए. क्यों? हमने अभी पढ़ा था थोड़ी देर पहले कि इट इज नॉट अ फंडामेंटल राइट, तो हमारा सी तो रॉन्ग ही हो जाएगा. टीपीए में ये क्या गिवन है आप लोग कमेंट्स में बताइएगा. इन पिटिशन अंडर आर्टिकल 226 ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया, a petitioner can inter alia seek a declaration as to invalidity of a statute, a writ of prohibition, a writ of habeas corpus, all of these. तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर है सी, a writ of habeas corpus. The right to have a lawyer of one's choice is expressly stated in, ये आप मुझे बताइए कहाँ पर गिवन है. ये है इनमें से किसी में भी नहीं गिवन है, तो आप मुझे कमेंट्स में बताएंगे कि ये कहाँ पर गिवन है, एंड आप मुझे ये भी बताएंगे कि ये CRPC में कहाँ गिवन था और अब हमारे न्यू एक्ट्स में कहाँ पर गिवन है. द लैंडमार्क डिसीजन ऑफ सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑफ इंडिया इन इंदिरा सहानी वर्सेस यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया डेल्ट विद द इशू ऑफ, अगर आप थोड़ा रिकॉल करेंगे तो 2006 के पेपर में इसी वीडियो में हमने ये आंसर पढ़ चुका था. तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर है रिजर्वेशन इन एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशन, क्योंकि वहाँ पर भी एम्प्लॉयमेंट की बात करी गई थी एंड यहाँ पर भी एम्प्लॉयमेंट की बात करी गई है. 125. The decision in Nilabhat Bhera versus State of Orissa dealt with the issue of equal pay for equal work of women laborers, liability of state to pay compensation to victim of custodial violence, right of rape victim to legal aid, right of Hindu widow to share a joint family property. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है equal pay for equal work for women laborer. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है the name of case which overruled केशवानंदा भारती case is, बहुत ही कॉमन है ये और बहुत बार पूछा गया है हमारे प्रीलिम्स में. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है गोलकनाथ वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ पंजाब. The decision of Maftalal Mills versus Union of India dealt with the issue of grant of license for manufacture textiles, unjust enrichment in the context of refund of excise and custom duties, the constitutional validity of the Industries Development and Regulations Act, post manufacturing expenses in excise law. तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर है सी. मुझे लगता है आपको जितने भी केसेस सारे प्रीवियस ईयर एग्जाम्स में आते हैं उनकी एक लिस्ट बना देनी चाहिए, एंड इफ़ यू वांट तो मैं भी आपको एक लिस्ट बना के प्रोवाइड करके हर एक एक्ट की दे सकती हूँ. तो आप कमेंट्स में ज़रूर बताइएगा मुझे इफ़ यू वांट दैट लिस्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द डिसीजन इन एसा बोमाई वर्सेस यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया डेल्ट विद द स्कोप ऑफ पावर ऑफ यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया टू प्रोटेक्ट अ स्टेट ऑफ आर्टिकल 355 ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, द वैलिडिटी ऑफ प्रोक्लेमेशन ऑफ इमरजेंसी इन आर्टिकल 352, द पावर ऑफ द प्रेजिडेंट टू और द प्रेजिडेंट्स रूल इन अ स्टेट इज टर्म ऑफ आर्टिकल 356, नन ऑफ दीज. तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर है बी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पर चलते हैं. क्वेश्चन 130. A writ petition challenging the validity of Consumer Protection Act 1986 is filed in High Court at Calcutta. Another writ petition seeking an identical relief is filed under Article 32 in Supreme Court by another party. The Union of India can A. Seek a transfer of petition in Calcutta High Court to Supreme Court, file a petition in Supreme Court and seek a stay of proceeding in Calcutta High Court, either A or B, both A and B. तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर है बी, फाइल अ पिटिशन इन सुप्रीम कोर्ट एंड सीक अ स्टे ऑफ प्रोसीडिंग्स इन कैलकाटा हाई कोर्ट. The nomination paper of Ms. J for the election of Lok Sabha from Purna constituency in Bihar is rejected by returning officer. Ms. J should challenge the rejection by filing a writ petition in Patna High Court soon after the poll but before the declaration of the result. Wait till the conclusion of the election process and file a election petition in Patna High Court. File a petition in Supreme Court of India even before the scrutiny of nominations. Challenge the rejection, filing a civil suit in District Court of Birna before the date of poll. ये रिसेंटली भी पूछा गया क्वेश्चन है, तो आप प्लीज़ रेफर करें पुराने केस लॉज को और पूरे पुराने क्वेश्चंस को, क्योंकि ये बहुत रिसेंटली एक बार क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है. बस पार्टीज के नाम चेंज कर देते हैं. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज the period of limitation for filing a complaint under the Consumer Protection Act is 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year. I'm so sorry, I think ये कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का क्वेश्चन नहीं है, लेकिन फिर भी मैं आपको आंसर बता देती हूँ. इसका आंसर है 1 year. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, ये भी आई थिंक लिमिटेशन का ही पीरियड है, बट द लिमिटेशन पीरियड फॉर फाइलिंग ये लिमिटेशन का है बट ये कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन से रिलेटेड है, सो आप ध्यान दीजिए. द लिमिटेशन पीरियड फॉर फाइलिंग अ क्यूरेटिव पिटिशन इन सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑफ इंडिया इज, इसका करेक्ट आंसर है सी, 30 days. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, आर्टिकल 24 ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया डील्स विद द प्रोहिबिशन अगेंस्ट एम्प्लॉयमेंट ऑफ चिल्ड्रन अंडर 14 years of in the factories, the right against self-incrimination, the prohibition of traffic in human being and beggar, the abolition of untouchability. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है सी, the prohibition of traffic in human being and beggar. The judge who is dissented in ADM Jabalpur versus शिवकांत शुक्ला, ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा कॉमनली पूछा गया क्वेश्चन है, ये बहुत बार पूछा जा चुका है एंड इसका करेक्ट आंसर है ए, जे ग्रोवर. Next question is, special provisions concerning the state of Sikkim are provided in Article 371G of the Constitution of India, Article 371F of the Constitution of India, Article 370, Article 392. तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर है डी. सो फ्रेंड्स, हमारे 2010 के फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का है वो है that no person accused of an offence shall be compelled to be a witness against himself is A or an directive principle which the state should apply, human right under Universal Declaration of Human Rights to which India is party, fundamental right, ordinary constitutional right. तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर है सी, फंडामेंटल राइट. इसके लिए आप आर्टिकल 20 क्लॉज 3 को रेफर कर सकते हैं. द डायरेक्टिव प्रिंसिपल ऑफ स्टेट पॉलिसी आर फंडामेंटल फॉर अपलिफ्टमेंट ऑफ बैकवर्ड क्लासेस, प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ इंडिविजुअल राइट्स, एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ जस्टिस, गवर्नेंस ऑफ स्टेट. तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर है डी, गवर्नेंस ऑफ स्टेट. Next question है, when a writ is issued to an inferior court or tribunal on grounds of exceeding its jurisdiction or an acting contrary to the rules of natural justice, it is called a writ of certiorari. Correct. Guys, if you want तो मैं आपके लिए सारी writs, उनके cases important, वो भी एक वीडियो में ला सकती हूँ. Kindly let me know in the comment section. Next question is, consider the following statement. The president can commute death sentence to the life imprisonment. The governor cannot compute death sentence to life imprisonment. The president's power to pardon extends to punishments or sentences by court martial. Which one of the statement is correct? So इसका correct answer है B. Why? Because governor cannot pardon death sentence but he can commute respite etc. Okay. Which one of the following is the correct statement? Double jeopardy means trying two persons jointly for the same offense, trying the same person for two offenses at different times, putting the same person on trial twice for the same offense, trying a person for two offenses committed by him in a one incident. तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर है सी. इसके लिए आप रेफर कर सकते हैं आर्टिकल 20 क्लॉज 2. ग्रेट. तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, इन केस ऑफ इनकंसिस्टेंसी बिटवीन द लॉज मेड बाय द पार्लियामेंट एंड द लॉज मेड बाय द स्टेट लेजिस्लेचर, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग शैल प्रिवेल? The law made by the parliament before the law made by the legislature to the state, the law made by the parliament after the law made by legislature of the state, the law made by the parliament before or after the law made by the legislature of the state, the law made by the legislature of the state. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है सी. और इसलिए आप रेफर कर सकते हैं आर्टिकल 254 which says it is inconsistent to the Constitution of India. नेक्स्ट हमारा क्वेश्चन है assertion and reasoning वाला. If you guys know, there is a rule for assertion and reasoning that if you put a because between the two sentences and जो पहला assertion है, it is the correct, it is coming into a sentence when you put a because in between. तो वो दोनों अगर एक दूसरे को कॉम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं तो आपका आंसर बहुत ज़्यादा चांसेस हैं कि सही होगा. ये आप रूल अप्लाई करके देखिए एक बार. Assertion: the rule-making power of the Supreme Court is not subject to any law made by the Parliament of India. Reason: only an impartial and independent judiciary can protect the right of individual without fear or favor. इसका करेक्ट आंसर क्या है? So इसका करेक्ट आंसर है D. A is false but R is true. इसके लिए आप रेफर कर सकते हैं 145, okay, which is subject to Parliament. Next question है, the entries in the 3 legislative list are not always set out with the scientific precision. Reason: the entries are not powers but are only fields of legislation. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है B. अब हम इसमें एक बार बिकॉज डाल के ट्राई कर सकते हैं. The entries in the 3 legislative list are not always set out with scientific precision because the entries are not powers but are only fields of legislation. इसमें क्या आ रहा है कि दोनों इंडिविजुअली तो ट्रू हैं, लेकिन बी जो है, आई मीन जो सेकंड रीजन है, इट इज नॉट द रीजन फॉर द स्टेटमेंट विच इज गिवन हियर इन द assertion. सो गाइज नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स. इनमें से कौन सी स्टेटमेंट्स है जो करेक्ट है ये आपको बताना है. द सुप्रीम कोर्ट हैज ओरिजिनल jurisdiction in any dispute between the government of India and one or more states. The Supreme Court has original jurisdiction in any dispute between the government of India and any state or states on one side and one or more other states on the other side. The Supreme Court has original jurisdiction in any dispute between the government of India and corporation of individual one side and one or more states on the other. The Supreme Court has original jurisdiction in any dispute between 2 or more states. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है B. इसके लिए आप रेफर कर सकते हैं आर्टिकल 131 ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स. द हाई कोर्ट हैज jurisdiction to punish for its contempt, tender advice on the legal question referred to it by the governor of state, tender advice on a legal question referred to it by the governor of state, issue certain writ for enforcement of fundamental right or for other purposes. इसका करेक्ट आंसर क्या होना चाहिए? सो इसका करेक्ट आंसर है A, punish for its contempt. इसके लिए आप रेफर कर सकते हैं 215 एंड 226 ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. गाइस हमारा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो है 2010 के पेपर में वो है मैच द फॉलोइंग वाला. कौन सा, वैसे तो ये जीके के लिए पूछा गया था, लेकिन इफ़ यू नो तो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के स्टार्टिंग में ही हम पढ़ते हैं उसकी हिस्ट्री ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के पार्ट में से ये क्वेश्चन है. तो अब मैच द फॉलोइंग करेंगे. मॉर्लिमेंटो रिफॉर्म, ब्रिटिश क्राउन एज्यूम्स पावर, प्रोविंशियल ऑटोनॉमी एंड डायरकी. इनमें से कौन सा है जो इन एक्ट्स के साथ मैच होता है? कौन सा एक्ट कौन से टाइम पे आया था ये आपको बताना है. तो गाइज इसका आंसर है डी. इफ़ यू सी, जो कि है एक्ट ऑफ 1858. इट मैचेस विद ब्रिटिश क्राउन एज्यूम्स पावर क्योंकि ये सबसे पहले आया था. सेकेंड है इंडियन काउंसिल एक्ट 1909. इसके साथ मैच करता है मॉर्लिमेंटो रिफॉर्म. उसके बाद है गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया एक्ट 1990 जिसके साथ आपको मैच करता है डायरकी. एंड गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया एक्ट 1935 जो है प्रोविंशियल ऑटोनॉमी. तो गाइज इसके साथ खत्म होता है हमारा जो क्वेश्चंस हैं, क्वेश्चन पेपर है 2010 का. सो गाइज द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पेपर विच वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस इज ऑफ 2011 DGS prelims. So our first question is, which of the following is not an eligibility criteria for election of President of India? So इसका correct answer है D. Article 58 of the Constitution provides for the qualification to be appointed as the President. Okay. Next question है, who is the ex officio chairman of Rajya Sabha? ये हम सभी जानते हैं. इसका correct answer है A, Vice President of India. लेकिन ये कौन से आर्टिकल में है? ये है आर्टिकल 64 of the Constitution. फंडामेंटल राइट्स आर कंटेन्ड इन विच पार्ट ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन? ये तो काफ़ी इजी क्वेश्चन है. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है पार्ट 3. द टर्म ऑफ द ऑफिस ऑफ द प्रेजिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया इज, क्या है? 5 years. 5 years फ्रॉम द डेट ऑफ एंटरिंग अपॉन हिज ऑफिस, 7 years फ्रॉम द डेट ऑफ इलेक्शंस, 7 years फ्रॉम द डेट ऑफ एंटरिंग अपॉन हिज ऑफिस. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है बी, 5 years फ्रॉम द डेट ऑफ एंटरिंग अपॉन हिज ऑफिस. ओके. एंड इसमें हम रेफर करेंगे आर्टिकल 56 ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को. हाउ मेनी इलेक्टेड मेंबर्स आर देयर इन द काउंसिल ऑफ स्टेट्स? इसका करेक्ट आंसर है C 238 members. Okay, and ये article 80 में provided है. Okay, what is the minimum qualification age for being a member of parliament? 21 years, 18 years, 35 years, 25 years. Again, D इसका correct answer है, and it is given in article 84 of the constitution, 84B of the constitution. Okay, which of the following is not a writ mentioned in constitution? Quo warranto, certiorari, prohibition, interrogatory. हम सभी जानते हैं ये तीनों तो रिट हैं, लेकिन डी जो है ऑप्शन वो एक रिट नहीं है. इंटेरोगेटरीज क्या होता है हमने सीपीसी में पढ़ा है, काइंडली आप मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में बताएंगे. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट. ओके, फंडामेंटल राइट आर इन द पार्ट 3 ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, ये हम सभी जानते हैं पार्ट 3 में ही है. डायरेक्टिव प्रिंसिपल ऑफ स्टेट पॉलिसी आर इन पार्ट 4 ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, क्या बताएंगे मुझे डायरेक्टिव प्रिंसिपल पार्ट 4 में है कि नहीं, ये भी करेक्ट है. फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज आर इन पार्ट 4 ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, क्या ये करेक्ट है, बताइए. आई थिंक ये करेक्ट नहीं है क्योंकि पार्ट 4A में प्रोवाइडेड है फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज. ओके, द रिटायरमेंट एज ऑफ द हाई कोर्ट जज is same as the retirement age of district judge, is same as the retirement age of Supreme Court judge, is lower than the retirement age of a district judge, is lower than the retirement age of Supreme Court judge. तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर है D. The retirement age of the Supreme Court judge is 65 years, whereas the retirement age of High Court judges is 62 years. Okay. Habeas corpus literally means. What is the literal meaning of habeas corpus? तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर है A. Produce the body. So guys, हमारा next question है, the preamble of the Constitution of India contains the resolution to constitute India into inter alia a socialist republic. Since the framing of the Constitution, the word socialist was incorporated in the in the preamble by 42nd Amendment with effect from 3 January 1977. Never contained the word socialist. The word socialist was dropped by the 42nd Amendment. इसका correct answer क्या है? So guys, 51 का correct answer है B. The word socialist was incorporated in the preamble by 42nd Amendment. Okay, with effect from 3 January 1977. Cool. Next question is the basic structure doctrine with respect to Constitution of India is. इसका correct answer है A. Was propounded first in the judgment of Supreme Court by the Supreme Court in Keshwananda Bharati versus State of Kerala. Equality of opportunity in matters of public employment. इसका क्या करेक्ट आंसर है? सो इसका करेक्ट आंसर है A. इज गारंटीड टू ऑल द सिटीजन्स ऑफ इंडिया. ये कौन सा आर्टिकल में अवेलेबल है हमें? आर्टिकल 16. द प्रोहिबिशन अगेंस्ट प्रोसिक्यूशन एंड पनिशमेंट फॉर द सेम ऑफेंस मोर देन वंस, ये किस चीज़ का प्रिंसिपल है, कौन सा प्रिंसिपल है? सो गाइज ये प्रिंसिपल है आर्टिकल 20 क्लॉज 2 का, इफ़ यू रिमेंबर. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है C. इट इज़ कंटेन्ड इन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया, जो कि आर्टिकल 20 क्लॉज 2 में गिवन है. ओके, विच प्रोवाइड्स दैट नो पर्सन शैल बी प्रोसिक्यूटेड एंड पनिश्ड फॉर द सेम ऑफेंस मोर देन वंस. ओके, द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन हैज वेस्टेड द एग्जीक्यूटिव पावर ऑफ द यूनियन गवर्नमेंट इन द प्रेसिडेंट, द प्राइम मिनिस्टर, द काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर्स, ऑल ऑफ द अबव. सो गाइस इसका करेक्ट आंसर है A. और ये कौन से हमें आर्टिकल में गिवन है? आर्टिकल 53. ओके, विच राइट इज अ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल राइट बट नॉट अ फंडामेंटल राइट. ओके गाइस, कभी कभार क्या होता है कि क्वेश्चन पेपर में इंग्लिश का प्रॉब्लम बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. इंग्लिश जो होता है वो कई बार ठीक से नहीं लिखा होता है, तो आपको थोड़ा सा इसको इंटरप्रेट करना पड़ेगा खुद ही. ओके, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन राइट कुछ नहीं होता, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल राइट होता है. ओके, सो इसका करेक्ट आंसर है D. ये कहाँ पर गिवन है हमें? आर्टिकल 300A में. एज यू कैन सी, राइट टू प्रॉपर्टी पे बहुत बार क्वेश्चन आ चुके हैं प्रीवियस ईयर में भी, एंड टिल डेट आते रहते हैं. ओके, कभी उसके अमेंडमेंट पे, कभी वो कौन से आर्टिकल से डिलीट हुआ था, या फिर अब कौन से आर्टिकल में है, वेदर इट इज़ अ फंडामेंटल राइट, वेदर इट इज़ अ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल राइट. सो यू गाइज नीड टू नो ऑल दीज थिंग्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है मैच द फॉलोइंग. हेबियस कॉर्पस, मैंडेमस, क्यू वारंटो, सर्शियरी, इनका क्या मतलब है? ये लिस्ट 2 में दिया हुआ है. वायलेशन ऑफ नेचुरल जस्टिस, अनलॉफुल अरेस्ट एंड डिटेंशन, एक्सरसाइज ऑफ पावर विदाउट जुरिस्डिक्शन, नॉन परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ द पब्लिक ड्यूटी. अब इसका करेक्ट आंसर क्या है? इसका करेक्ट आंसर है A. ओके, members of legislative bodies enjoy the privilege of examination from arrest or detention in the prison. So guys, इसका correct answer है A. If you refer to section 135A of CPC, you will know कि इसका correct answer A क्यों है. Okay. Next question is, ये हमारे CAGS दिया हुआ है, कंट्रोलर जनरल एंड ऑडिटर ऑफ इंडिया से. ठीक है, तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर क्या है? इसका करेक्ट आंसर है B. बिसाइड्स 1, दैट मीन्स exercise powers in relation to accounts of union and states only. इसका है besides one. It can also exercise powers in relation to the accounts of any other authorities or bodies as may be prescribed by or under any law made by the parliament. Okay. For this you have to refer Article 149 of the Constitution. Okay. So next question is Article 14 does not encompass. क्या है Article 14? So Article 14 जो है हमारा उसका आंसर है, इसका करेक्ट आंसर है दी प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ लाइफ एंड लिबर्टी. ओके. इट इज प्रोवाइडेड इन आर्टिकल 21 ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. और ये बाकी सब कुछ हमें दिया गया है आर्टिकल 14 में ही. ओके. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज राइट अंडर आर्टिकल 19 आर अवेलेबल टू पर्सन इन इंडिया, सिटीजन्स, फॉरेनर्स, बी और सी. सो इसका करेक्ट आंसर है डी. ओके. It is given to both. Next question is, oh I'm so sorry, इसका correct answer है B. Okay, ये D नहीं है, B है इसका correct answer. It is only available to citizens of India. Next question है हमारा last question of 2011, 62. The decision or finding given by the court or a tribunal without jurisdiction. इसका correct answer है B. Cannot operate as res judicata. Why? Because under section 11 of CPC, जहाँ पर res judicata given है, for the application of res judicata, court or a tribunal must be competent to try and hear the suit. A decree passed by the court of incompetent jurisdiction shall not operate as res judicata. Okay? तो इसी के साथ हमारा खत्म होता है 2011 का पेपर. अब हम चलते हैं अपने नेक्स्ट पेपर पर. Okay guys, so now we will be starting with questions of 2014 DGS paper. So our first question is, which of the following statements are correct in the light of provision of Article 356? So इसका correct answer है 3. President can proclaim emergency only on advice of Council of Ministers. Okay, and इसके लिए you have to refer Article 53 Clause 1 read with Article 74 Clause 1. Okay. Next question is, in which of the cases it was held by the Supreme Court that delay in deciding mercy petition is a sufficient ground for commuting the death sentence to life imprisonment? So इसका correct answer है Shatrughan Chauhan versus Union of India. Okay. In this, the Supreme Court held that the delay in deciding mercy petition is a sufficient ground for commuting the death to life imprisonment. Okay. Which of the following is correct about the preamble of the Constitution of India? The correct answer है 1. It was adopted after adoption of operative articles of the Constitution. Okay. Next question is, which of the following is true about Supreme Court of India? इसका correct answer है 2. No judgment shall be delivered by the Supreme Court save in open court. Okay. इसके लिए आप कौन सा आर्टिकल रेफर करेंगे? आर्टिकल 145 क्लॉज 4. Okay. Yeah. So next question is, which of the following writ is not amendable to the principle of res judicata? Okay. तो इसका correct answer है 4. habeas corpus, क्योंकि यही नहीं लगती है, इसी पर res judicata नहीं लगता. Curative petition may be entertained by the Supreme Court in following situations. कौन से situations में curative petition लगती है? So इसका correct answer है 4. All of these situations, that is, when a judge on the bench having heard the matter did not disclose his connection with the subject matter, the petitioner filing the petition was not a party before the court but has suffered a great prejudice by the decision, the grounds mentioned in the curative petition has been agitated by in the review petition which was dismissed in the circulation. Okay, ये किस में दिया गया था? ये दिया गया था रूपा अशोक हुर्रा वर्सेस अशोक हुर्रा 2002 के केस में. Okay. The President shall have the power under Article 72 of the Constitution of India where, इसका correct answer क्या है? 4. All of these. That is, punishment or sentence is by a court martial. Punishment or sentence is for an offence against law relating to a matter to which the executive power of the Union extends. Sentences is a sentence of death. All of these. तो इसका correct answer है D. Okay. For this you have to refer Article 72 of the Constitution. Next question है, which of the following is not a requirement under Article 311 of the Constitution while dealing with the disciplinary proceedings for dismissal, removal or reduction in rank of a civil servant? तो इसका correct answer है 3. A reasonable opportunity of making representation on the penalty proposed. Okay. For this you have to refer Article 311 का clause 2. Okay. Now next question is amendment to which of the following provisions of constitution require ratification by the state? इसका correct answer है option 2, that is list 1 of the 7 schedule. Okay. Next question है right to form association under article 19 clause 3 of the constitution includes, क्या include करता है? Right to strike, right to collective bargaining, right to lockout, none of the above. इसमें सबसे पहले तो एक टाइपोग्राफिकल एरर आया था क्वेश्चन में, जिसमें इट हैज़ टू बी 19 क्लॉज 1 क्लॉज सी, जिसमें क्या गिवन है हमारा राइट टू स्ट्राइक. ओके, यहाँ पर विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ फंडामेंटल ड्यूटी अंडर आर्टिकल 51A. तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर है 3, टू प्रोवाइड अपॉर्चुनिटी of education to the child below the age of 6 by his parents or guardians. Which of the following is the DPSP? इसका correct answer है 3, to provide participation of workers in management of industries. Okay, for this you have to refer article 43 clause 43A capital A. Okay, which of the following is a fundamental right? To assemble with arms, to form cooperative societies, right to employment, right of religious denominations to own immovable property only for charitable purposes. So इसका correct answer है 2. For this you have to refer article 19 clause 1 clause C. Okay, to form cooperative societies. Which of the following is a state of for the purposes of article 12? आप सबको पता है state की definition article 12 में given है. So इसका correct answer है 3, Indian Oil Corporation. Okay, it was held that judiciary is not a state, and article 12 में for the purpose of state, judiciary is not a state. Okay, do remember this. Which of the following article was amended by 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act? So इसका correct answer है 1, article 330. Which of the following writs can be sought to be issued to quash unconstitutional appointments to public office? तो इसका correct answer है 1, Q warranto. Okay. Next है Parliament of India shall consist of 2 House and Minister, 2 House Minister, Attorney General, 2 House and the President. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है 4, 2 House and the President. ये हमारे कौन सा आर्टिकल में गिवन है, काइंडली कमेंट्स में बताएं. Which of the following is not a constitutional body? Election Commission, Planning Commission, Finance Commission, CAG. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है 2. ओके, क्योंकि इलेक्शन कमीशन, फाइनेंस कमीशन और कैग जो है ये आपके कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में दिया हुआ है, बट प्लानिंग कमीशन कहीं नहीं मेंशन्ड है. Which of the following is not a requirement to be satisfied by the state to exercise their discretion while providing for reservation in promotions of favor of scheduled tribe and scheduled caste? तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर है 89 का 2, not crossing of 50% of ceiling in a particular year. ओके, एंड ये हमारे कौन से केस में गिवन था? M Nagaraj versus Union of India 2006 में. ओके, so guys, now moving on to question paper of 2015. So we are going to start with our first question. In which of the following cases the Supreme Court of India held right to sleep is a fundamental right? So guys, fifth का question का answer है 2, that is in Ramlila Maidan case. Okay, Supreme Court observed that during the course of hearing in Ramlila Maidan case, police on Baba Ramdev and his followers, उनको सोने भी नहीं दिया जा रहा था. So this was the case. Next question is, which provision of the Indian Constitution entitles right to education as fundamental right? So as इसका answer है 3, that is article 21A. Okay, right to education, which was added by 86th Amendment Act of 2002. Okay. So next question is question 27. When was the Constitution of India adopted? It is a very easy question. इसका correct answer है 4, 26 November 1949. In which year was the first amendment to the Constitution effected? So इसका correct answer है 3, 1951. The first amendment of the Constitution was made in Article 31A and 31B, which were inserted in this. Question 29. Which part of the Constitution of India deals with the fundamental rights? So इसका correct answer है 3, part 3. Which article in the Constitution of India outlaws untouchability and makes it a punishable offence? तो इसका correct answer है 3, article 17. Now moving on to next question. Which article of the Constitution of India guarantees citizens the right to settle in any part of the territory of India? So 32 का correct answer है 3. Article 19(1)(e). Article 48A of the Constitution of India deals with protection and environment, improvement of environment, and safeguarding of forest and wildlife. Okay. Now next question is, Article 30 guarantees the right to minorities to establish educational institutions of their choice. Next question. Article 39 Clause 4 of the Constitution of India oblige the state to secure. इसका करेक्ट आंसर क्या है? आई थिंक ये क्वेश्चन ही डिलीट कर दिया गया था बाय DJS, तो ये क्वेश्चन इज नॉट रेलिवेंट हेयर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, which article of the Constitution of India oblige the state to organize village panchayat? So इसका correct answer है 1, Article 40. Which article in the Constitution of India relates to the power of President to grant pardons, etc. and to suspend, remit or commute sentences in certain cases? तो इसका correct answer है B, Article 72. Next question, the right to move the Supreme Court of India for the enforcement of fundamental right is guaranteed under article. It is given under Article 32. The Supreme Court of India has been established under Article 1, that is 124. Which article in the Constitution of India relates to the control of High Court over subordinate courts in matter of posting, promotion, leave, etc.? So the correct answer है 3, Article 235. Article 262 of the Constitution of India relates to adjudication of disputes relating to waters of interstate rivers or rivers valleys. Which Constitution Amendment Act relating to the appointment of judges came for the constitution of Supreme Court and was struck down, being in violation to the basic feature of doctrine of the Constitution of India? So इसका correct answer है 1, 99th Amendment. In which case the Supreme Court of India propounded the basic feature doctrine of the first time? So इसका correct answer है 3, Keshwananda Bharati case. Which article in the Constitution of India relates to the subject matter of laws made by the Parliament to give effect to the treaties and international agreements? So correct answer है 4, 253. So guys, now we are going to move on to question paper of 2018 DGS. So our first question is question number 100. All laws in force in the territory of India immediately before commencement of the Constitution for the purpose of Article 13 of the Constitution do not include 1. Laws made or passed by the elected state legislature in the territory of India before commencement of Constitution. Laws made by the competent authority in territory of India before the commencement of Constitution. Third, taxing statute enforced before the commencement of the Constitution. Fourth, independent provisions of the Constitution which stands on equal footing with Article 13 of the Constitution. So guys, इसका correct answer है 4. Independent provisions of the Constitution which stands on an equal footing with Article 13 of the Constitution. Next question is, operation of any law which provides that the incumbent of an office in connection with the affairs of any religion shall profess the particular religion as. So guys, इसका correct answer है 3, is protected under Article 16 of the Constitution of India. Great. So moving on to next question. Next question is question number 102. Right of all citizens to move freely throughout the territory of India. इसका क्या correct answer है? So guys, इसका correct answer है 3, is recognized as a separate fundamental right under Article 19, Clause 1, Clause D of the Constitution. It is a very easy question वैसे. Next question is 103. Clause 1 of Article 20 of the Constitution is not violated when. इनमें से क्या correct answer है? Substantive law with greater punishment in criminal proceeding with retrospective effect. Next is substantive law with greater punishment in criminal proceeding with retrospective effect is enacted with 2/3 majority. Sorry, first one was with enacted by the simple majority. Next one is 2/3 majority. And next is procedural law relating to criminal procedure is enacted by Parliament with simple majority. And next is higher greater punishment imposed under the new law is made applicable to pending criminal proceedings. So what is the correct answer of 103? So the correct answer is 3. Procedural law relating to criminal proceedings is enacted by the Parliament with simple majority. Okay guys. Next question is 104. Right to stand for election to the Parliament. इसका correct answer क्या है? ये कहाँ पर given है? So guys, ये given है is a statutory right only. It is not a fundamental right. Okay. Next question. Article 30 of the Constitution of India applies to both minority and non-minority, majority, all minorities whether based on religion or language, all minorities based on religion and not language. So इसका correct answer है 3. All minorities whether based on religion or language. So for this you have to refer Article 30 of the Constitution, which applies to both religious and linguistic minorities. Okay. Moving on to next question. 106. The term relator is relevant in quasi-judicial adjudication, writ in the nature of mandamus, writ in the nature of quo warranto, civil suit amongst family members. So guys, इसका correct answer है 3, writ in nature of quo warranto. Okay. So who is a relator first of all? ये word जो है काफी commonly use नहीं है. So a relator is a person upon whose complaint or at whose instance an information or a writ of quo warranto is filed. Okay. Many of the students do not know this. कि रिलेटर जो होता है वो एक ऐसा पर्सन होता है जिसके बताए जाने पर कंप्लेंट फाइल की जाती है, जिसके बेसिस पे इंफॉर्मेशन गिवन होती है फॉर द रिट ऑफ क्यू वारंटो. ओके. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज एग्जीक्यूटिव पावर ऑफ द यूनियन requires personal signature of the president, is required to be made and executed in the name of president, is required to be in the name of the prime minister and his council of ministers, can be exercised by any public servant belonging to Indian administrative services. So guys, इसका correct answer है 2. Okay, and for this you have to refer Article 53 clause 1. Okay. Next question is jurisdictional power of the High Court under Article 226 of the Constitution. So इसका correct answer है 2. Similar to the jurisdiction of the Supreme Court under Article 32 of the Constitution. Okay. Moving on to next question. Question number 109. Decision of the Supreme Court in the case of Kusum Ignatz and Alloy Limited versus Union of India 2004 is relates to which of the principle? So guys, इसका correct answer है territorial jurisdiction, forum, convenience. Okay. Moving on to next question. 110. Appointment of the person to be district judge in any state is made by the Council of Ministers of the state in the name of governor, by the governor of the state in consultation with the High Court exercising jurisdiction in relation to such state, by the High Court, by the President of India. So guys, इसका correct answer है 2. Okay. For this you have to refer Article 233. Okay. Great. Moving on to next question. The Protection of Civil Rights Act 1955 was enacted to give effect to which of the provisions of the Constitution? इनमें से कौन सा provision दिया गया था? इसका correct answer है Article 17. Great. According to Article 39A of the Constitution, what does the legal system of the country seek to promote? Okay, effective resolution of disputes between the parties, effective maintenance of law and order in the country, equal justice, obedience of law. So guys, इसका correct answer है 3. Equal justice. For this you have to refer Article 39 clause A, which states equal justice and free legal aid. Okay. Moving on to next question. A law placed in 9th schedule of the Constitution is, so guys, इसका correct answer है 2. That is, Schedule 9 क्या provide करता है हमें? It provides for the protection to the laws placed therein, okay, which can only be struck down by the Supreme Court if it is satisfied that such laws violates the basic structure of the Constitution. Okay. So this is the correct answer of 113. Moving on to next question. Which is the appropriate writ to be issued against a person believed to be holding a public office to which he is not entitled? So guys, इसका correct answer है 4. Quo warranto. Okay. Next. To determine whether a practice is protected by Article 25 Clause 1 of the Constitution of India, the party seeks such protection has to establish that the practice is not secular in nature, the practice is essential religious practice, the practice is allowed by religion in question, the practice is not prohibited by the religion in question. So इसका correct answer है 2. Okay, it is a essential religious practice. In a review petition under 137 of the Constitution, oral hearing is open court. Okay guys, I think ये वाला question जो है ये repeat हुआ है, हम हमारे video में पहले ही हम देख चुके हैं. So what will be the correct answer of this question? The correct answer is question 2 is mandatory in all cases where the decision being reviewed imposed the death penalty on the petitioner. Okay. Moving on to next question. In Shreya Singhal versus Union of India 2005, the Supreme Court इनमें से क्या हुआ था? Struck down Section 66A Information Technology Act in its entirely for violating Article 19A and not being saved by 19.2. Struck down this section of IT Act entirely for violating Article 14.21. Struck down this article for violating bringing in conformity with this and this, or upheld this one with this and this. So guys, इसका correct answer क्या होगा? So इसका correct answer है 1. Okay. Moving on to next question. A private organization hires an employee at less than minimum wage by this act. A violates the right of employee under Article 23. Does not violate the right of employee under Article this. Does not violate the right of employee under Article this of the Constitution, since Article 23 only applies to the against the state. Does not violate Article 23. Okay, as it is not a forced labor. So its correct answer है 1. Okay. On a subject covered by an entry in the list 1 of Schedule 6 of Schedule 6 of the Schedule 7 of the Constitution, the Union Executive cannot act on the subject unless Parliament has enacted a law on that subject. Can act on that subject even without a legislation on that subject as long as it does not violate the Constitution of any other law for the time in force. Can act on the subject as long as it lays its action before the Parliament at the next sitting of either house. Can act on the subject only through an ordinance. So guys, इसका correct answer है 2. Moving on to next question. Does a foreign citizen have fundamental rights under Indian Constitution? So it is a very easy question and बहुत बार पूछा जा चुका है exams में. So guys, इसका correct answer है 4. For this, what articles do we have to refer? We have to refer 14, 20, 21 and 22. Okay. They are all available to the person irrespective of their nationality. Okay. So last question of 2018 is, within Indian legal system, there is, correct answer is 3, right to property is a constitutional right but not a fundamental right. Okay guys, now we are going to move on to question paper of 2019. So the first question is, Parliament's lack of power to alter the basic structure of the Constitution was propounded for the first time in Sajjan Singh Keshwananda Bharti case, Golaknath Minerva Mills. As all of you know कि ये सारे ही cases जो हैं वो हमारे basic structure doctrine से relate करते हैं. So what will be the correct answer? So the correct answer is 2, Keshwananda Bharti case. Okay. Moving on to next question. The vice president is elected. So guys, ये almost third time पूछा जा रहा है आपके judiciary exams में. So let me know the correct answer. On the basis of adult franchise by the people of India, electoral college of all the members of both the houses, ऊपर था राज्य सभा by secret ballot, या फिर electoral college consisting of all the members of both the houses of the parliament in accordance with the system of proportional representation by means of single transferable vote and secret ballot. So इसका correct answer है 116 का 4, that is single transferable vote and by means of secret ballot. Okay, for this you have to refer Article 66. Okay. So next question is, there is no fundamental right of a person arrested not to be detained in the custody without being informed as soon as may be of the grounds for such arrest or for the period beyond 24 hours of such arrest, excluding the time necessary for journey from place of arrest to the court without authority of magistrate. Okay. So what will be the correct answer? इसका correct answer है 3. And ये कहाँ पर given है हमारे? Article 22 clause 3 में. Okay. Now moving on to next question. An amendment of the Constitution of India to make changes in provision relating to establishment and constitution of the Supreme Court requires, before giving of the assent by the President, to be passed by the majority of not less than 2/3 of the members present and voting in each house, ratification by the resolution to that effect by legislature of not less than 1/2 of the state, both 1 and 2, none of these. So इसका correct answer है 3. That is, both of them are correct. Next question. An ordinance promulgated by the President of India in exercise of his legislative powers shall cease to operate or to have effect or to be same force as an act or parliament at the expiration of 6 weeks from reassembly of the parliament, upon passing of resolution by one house of the parliament endorsing the disapproval thereof, expressed by the resolution of other houses, upon it being withdrawn by the president, all of these. So guys, इसका correct answer है 4. For this you have to refer article 123 of the constitution. Okay, moving on to last question of 2019 paper. If only a part of single consideration for one or more object is unlawful, the contract shall be valid. Okay guys, I think ये contract का question है, but still I'll let you know the answer. The answer for this is 3, void as whole. Okay, although हम contract के questions next series में करेंगे. This is the series for constitution. Moving on to question paper of 2022 DJS. So guys, our first question is, which of the following is considered as an important provision in enforcing the performance of public or statutory duty? So guys, इसका correct answer है 2, writ of mandamus. Moving on to next question. Under which procedural rule can a matter of public importance be raised in Lok Sabha? Calling attention procedure, discussion under rule 193, subsidiary motion, adjournment motion. So guys, इसका correct answer है 1, calling attention procedure. Moving on to next question. Which judgment of the Supreme Court in 1992 upheld OBC reservations while separating the creamy layer? So इसका correct answer है 4, Indra Sahane versus Union of India. Okay. Now question number 99. We'll just reduce the marker. Yeah. So how many states or how many union territories are listed in the first schedule of the Constitution of India? 28 states, 27 states, 28 states and 8 union territories, 29 states and 9 union territories. So हम सबको पता है कि हमारे जो यूनियन टेरिटरीज हैं आज की डेट में 9 है, ओके, और स्टेट्स हमारी 28 है. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज 1. So next question is, the Constitution Bench judgment of Supreme Court in L. Chandra Kumar versus Union of India 1997 case is a landmark decision on the issue of, इसका correct answer है 2, power of judicial review of High Courts and Supreme Court is a part of basic structure of Constitution. Moving on to next question. How many languages are included in the 8th schedule of the Constitution of India? So इसका correct answer है 322. So next question. When was the Constitution of India adopted by the Constituent Assembly? Guys, ये बहुत easy question है, काफ़ी मतलब introduction of the Constitution में इसको पूछा जाता है. So इसका correct answer है 4, 26 November 1949. How many fundamental duties are listed under Article 51A of the Constitution of India? So guys, इसका correct answer है 311. Next, which article of the Constitution of India contains provisions regarding equal justice and free legal aid? 38, 39, 39A और 43. So इसका correct answer है 339A. ये कौन से amendment से आया था, kindly let me know. Guys, now moving on to next question, 105. Which article of the Constitution prescribes that a person who voluntarily acquires the citizenship of a foreign state shall not be a citizen of India? So इसका correct answer है 105 का, it's 2. Okay, Article 9. Question number 106. In which judgment did the Supreme Court of India uphold the freedom of speech and expression through medium of internet enjoys constitutional protection? Article 19(1)(a). So इसका correct answer है guys 4, Anuradha Basi versus Union of India 2022. Okay. Which article of the Constitution provides for exemption of the property and income of state from union taxation? So इसका correct answer है Article 289. Moving on to next question. Which article of the Constitution of India empowers the President appointing and acting Chief Justice of a High Court? Article 214, 223, 224A, 229. So guys, इसका correct answer है 2, Article 223. Which article of the Constitution provides for the functions of Public Service Commission? So इसका correct answer है 1, 320. Which article of the Constitution specifies the original jurisdiction of Supreme Court of India? इसका करेक्ट आंसर है 131. सो गाइज, इसके साथ हमारा खत्म होता है 2022 का पेपर. So now guys, we are going to start with the question paper of 2023. And our first question for 2023 is question number 145. This is set D. Okay. The preamble of Constitution of India resolves to secure to the citizens. What is the correct answer? So the correct answer is 1. Justice, liberty, equality, fraternity. Next question is 146. Which of the following rights are not included under Article 19 of the Constitution? Freedom of speech and expression, right to form association or unions, right to reside and settle anywhere in the world, right to practice any profession. So इसका correct answer है 3. Right to reside and settle anywhere in the world. Next question is, which of the following rights are not guaranteed in Part 3 of the Constitution? Right to education, right to minorities to establish and administer educational institutions, right to constitutional remedies, right to stand for elections to the parliament. So इसका correct answer है 4, that is right to stand for elections to the parliament. Guys, ये not वाले जो negative वाले questions हैं, kindly pay more attention to this because यही गलती होती है exam में. Next question is, under Article 22 of the Constitution, every person who is arrested and detained in custody is to be produced before the nearest magistrate within 1 week, 3 days, immediately, none of the above. So guys, इसका correct answer है 4, immediately. Okay. We all know 24 hours के अंदर करना पड़ता है. Okay. Next question is, the procedure for amendment of Constitution under Article 368 of the Constitution requires an amendment to be initiated by introduction of a bill in either house of the parliament, introduction of a bill in only Lok Sabha, introduction of a bill in either house of the parliament or the legislative assembly of any state, a resolution of the concerned government. So इसका correct answer है 1, that is introduction of bill in either house of the parliament. Next question is, in view of Article 239AA of the Constitution, the National Capital Territory of Delhi is a state with legislative assembly, union territory with legislative assembly, union territory without legislative assembly, state without legislative assembly. So इसका correct answer है 2, that is union territory with legislative assembly. The fundamental duties enumerated in Article 51A of the Constitution includes the following: safeguard public property and to abjure violence, to value, preserve the rich heritage of India's composite culture, to define the country and render national services when called upon to do so, all of the above. So इसका correct answer है 4, that is all of the above. The minimum age for eligibility for election of the post of President of India is, so इसका correct answer है 1, that is 35 years. Okay. Next question is, under Article 79 of the Constitution, Parliament for the Union of India consists of the President of India and 2 House of the Parliament. Kindly let me know कि ये article already given. So next question is 184, that is, does the Constitution provide for an opinion to be rendered by any court or a question of law or fact other than by way of adjudication of lis? No. Yes, the High Court can exercise its advisory jurisdiction on reference of the governor of the concerned state. Yes, the Supreme Court can exercise advisory jurisdiction on the reference of the President of India. Yes, the Supreme Court can exercise advisory jurisdiction on the request by any member of the Parliament. So इसका correct answer है 3, that is the Supreme Court can exercise advisory jurisdiction on reference of the President of India. Next question is, which of the following offices are not provided for in the Constitution of India? So इसका correct answer है हमारा 4, that is Solicitor General of India. Next and the last question of this whole slide is, the preamble of the Constitution constitutes India as a sovereign socialist secular democratic republic. Which of these words were not in the original preamble? So आप सबको पता है कि हमारा socialist and secular जो है ये बाद में ऐड हुआ है. Kindly let me know in the comment section below कि ये कहाँ पर कौन से amendment के through ऐड किया गया था. So that's it for today guys. This is a short endeavor from my side for all of you, all the DGS aspirants, so that आपको easy हो ये पढ़ने में. And ये constitution का है. I will be making more such slides of other subjects also. So guys, stay tuned and like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.